Most people are afraid to use Stata because they think Stata is all about coding. Well, that's not 100% correct. In this video, I will show you how to import Microsoft Excel file into Stata even if you have no coding experience. Before importing the Excel data into Stata, let's see the Excel that contains the data that we want to import. Just open it and you can see I think we need to do a little modification here so it will be easier for Stata to recognize our data. And for the first row like this, we don't need it. Just make it one column for one variable because that's most of data analysis application works. And we can see the first row is for the variable and we have 30 cases here. This is the data that we want to import. Okay, the data is tidy and we just need to import it into Stata. Don't forget to save it, close it, and then open your Stata. And to import the Excel file, go to File here, and then search to Import, and then select Excel Spreadsheet. Here, a dialog box will appear on your screen, and then select Browse option to search the data. After that, click the file that you want to import. Like this, make sure the type is XLSX or XLS. Click open and a preview of your data will be appear at the dialog box. You see here from the row 1 to row 31, and you can select the first row as variable name or not. But here I prefer to use the first row as variable name because I'll prepare it like that. And if you want to import it in raw format, you can also import all data as strings. Then you need to modify the variable name one by one later. Okay, and then you can also select the sheet that you want to import because at the previous data I have two sheets, Q1 and Q2. You can select it as you need. Here I'll just select the sheet 1. You can also select a specific cell that you want to import, but remember, Stata only recognize the cell from upper left cell to the lower right cell, so you just need to type the cell that you want to import at the column. Okay, I'll just leave it by default. The preview is good, and then click OK. Well, at the result window, you see a command that executed perfectly here, import Excel and so on. But the question is, where's the data? Alright, to see the data that you just imported, go to the top menu here. You have data editor, edit, and also data editor browse. If you want to edit the data, click the data editor edit, and if you just want to look at the data, click the browse options here. Let's click the data editor edit because we can do a little bit modification here, especially in the variables name. Remember, we have 10 variables and also 30 cases. Great, it's perfectly imported, and we can also change the variable name here by going to the variables window here and then change the properties like this. Let me change the label of the age by adding years in the bracket. Great, now we have data that is perfectly imported from Excel into Stata, and let's do a little bit analysis to prove the data is work. So go to statistics. I'll just want to do a simple descriptive statistics, and then select summaries, tables, and tests, and then select summary and descriptive statistics, and then select summary statistic. Okay, if you want to summary all the variables that you have, just leave it empty in this column. And then for the options, just leave it standard display. If you want to add a specific line to separate your data every numbers of variables, you can set it here, but I'll just leave it 0 because it's uncomfortable to see the separator line. You can also set the if expression. You can also if you have the white type, you can set it here, but we just want to do the simple descriptive statistics and then click OK. Great, now you have the descriptive statistics table in the result window. You have the variable, observation, mean, standard deviation, minimum, and maximum. And if you see at the age variable, the mean is 25.93 and the minimum age of the respondent is 19 and the maximum age of the respondent is 34. One last thing that I want to remind you is that after importing the Excel file into Stata, let's save it into Stata format. So go to File and then select Save As. After that, select the location where you want to save this data. type the name in the file name field. Let's just make it a chocolate data, and after that click save. Great. After this, you can open the data directly because it has the Stata extension. That's it. See you in the next video.